umaga! Jumerica! Magandang umaga sa inyo mga inday, mga dudong. Maganda yung weather natin for today's video. Ngayon pa talaga nagising si Bibikan ng mga inday. Ang oras dito is almost 9 o'clock in the morning. And then ito yung weather natin. Yan yung weather natin, day. Maganda yung ating panahon ngayon. And then, pasok. You say hi to Ate B. Hi, 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 hi ba? Sa manang isa. Oy, wala pa man ni sa mood, day. Wala pang ano, day. Hindi pa nakaon yung battery, day, ni Bibikano, day. Hi, hi, saba. Hi! Hi! Hi na siya, day. Hi, hi! Nasilawan sa araw, day. Pasok na tayo sa bahay. Ito na tayo, day, sa garage, day. Papasok na tayo sa ating kabilang bahay. Masinasampay pa talaga ako yan. Oo. Nandito na yung kuya niya. Why, kuya? Why? Ako na lang, nak. Tara na, anak. Tara na, ibaba mo na, anak. Ayaw niya yung kuya niya, yung sa kanya. What we call of that? Mag-alsa. Ayaw yan ni Bibikan. I-off natin tong ilaw na, day. Nak, ibigay mo sa akin, nak, ang kapatid mo, nak. Come here, mama, be. Kukunin ko si Bibikan, day. Lagay ko kayo dyan. Ang gamit ko ngayon is cellphone kasi nga is nandito yung camera sa bahay. Nakalimutan kong dalhin. Nak, ano nak, day, nak? Friends, ano ba yun? Friends! Enough na yan, enough. Ano na? Kaya ako, bilisan ako ng sinina, kay napuno na ang pampers mo. Tumatawa na ako. Puno na yung pampers mo, anak. Ang pampers na Bibikano, dahil is puno na. So, kailangan nating palitan yung pampers niya at saka yung, damit niya. Ano na, ito na lang. Sige, you do sound. What's that? Ginaganyan. You do it. You do it again. Super cute mo, anak. Sige, magpalit na tayo. Mrs. Tumatawa. Hi! Hi daw, nag-hi. Ang bata. Palitan ko to ng palitan ko muna ng damit at saka pampers, mga inday. Kinuha na lang kuya niya, day, oh. Na-miss niya kasi yan. Na-miss niya kasi yung kapatid niya, day, ba? Ginom ko yung kurtina, day. And then si Bibikano, day, iiyak talaga yan, day, tuwing kinukuha siya ng kuya niya. Iwan ko ba kung bakit umiiyak tong batang batuta na to. Kinarga lang naman, hindi inano ng kuya niya. Kinarga lang yan naman. Iwan ko bakit ganyan si Bibikano sa kanya. Kinarga lang ng kuya, pero ang kapatid niya umiiyak. Iwan ko ano nangyari sa mga inday. Natin tong kurtina natin, day. Itali natin tong kurtina, day. It's a beautiful weather. Beautiful weather today. Ay, patay. Asher is here, Papa. He changed his clothes because the pee is almost, it's full. The pampers.
Oh, he was carrying around extra weight.
Yeah, that's right. My love, just clap your hands, Pasyaday. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Huh?
Are you guys still in the
No, we are here in the big house with his brothers.
Go sit.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Day, ano yan, day? Pati training yan ni Bibikano, day. Binilhan na namin. Sige, you sit down.
Sit
Sit
down.
down.
Sit down,
You
Ina.
go.
Sit down. Ina. Oh.
Slowly.
Slowly there.
Sige.
Go on.
Sige, go. day, siswa na yun siya. Mga inday, ito na lang yung breakfast ni Bibi Kano, Quaker Oats. Yung flavor niya is maple at brown sugar. And then, kailangan natin magkuha ng, gatas. Kailangan natin magkuha ng gatas. Paano tayo makatrabaho nito, day? Nandito, bata, day. Oh, nagkakalat na itong bata dito sa aparador, day. You stop na, sabi, you put it back, that all, be. You put it back. Sige na. You go there to your kuya. So that mama can move around here. I cannot move around here if you are here with me. Sige na. Come here, mama. Come here. Wala na tayo. Nagkalat. Naging siya ng kulutan eh. Close the door na. Close the door. Good job. Why you are good job? Why you are good job? Huh? Good job ang bata day. Kaya ito na yung Quaker Oats day. And then ito yung laman niya. Parang white. And then ilagay natin dito. And lagyan natin ng fresh milk. Ito yung parang sabaw niya, day. I think another more kasi dalawang Quaker Oats yung nilagay ko. And then i-mix lang natin. Si Bibi Kano nandyan sa likuran ko, day. Hey! Nandyan yung bata-batuta natin, nagkakalat. And then sa oven ko lang ito lulutuin, day. Tama na yan. Ilagay natin sa oven. Silicone, what is that in your hand? What is that? Wala pa. Hindi ko kakabot, still not enough height. Still don't have enough height. Agar-agaray, naipit yung kamay ko. Sakit yung kamot.
Yay!
And then, nandito kami mga inday. And then, nakakita si Bibi Kano ng kitten, day. Yung, baby na pusa, day ba? Yung kurtina natin, day. Ay! Nandito yung baby na pusa, day. Oh, nandyan sa gilid. Iwan kung makikita nyo ba, day? There's a kitten. Aray. Oh. Asya. Nandyan yung kitten, day. Oh. Ay! Ay! May ano siya, day. May bee. Basta nandoon sa gilid yung kitten din. Nawala. Nandoon day. Oh, pumasok na. Di ba kita nyo? Nakita nyo. Isusum ko ito mamaya. Oh, lumabas day. Nandoon. Oh. Hi, kitty. Hi. Look, Asher. There is a kitty. He's hiding. There is a kitty there, love. A white one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get up some cat food.
Oh, you try to get, to buy a small one first, and then let's see if they like it.
Oh, they'll eat it.
Okay. Wa na yung isa din, ang luwa naman ni Day. Tanawa, tanawa Day, nang luwa di sa sulod. Patay ng pataan ni. Stop doing that, Asher. You are here inside the house. Shh. No. No, ha, no. Nigara jud, Tanawa Day. Gara jud siya. Na, there's a kitten. There's a cat. Ito na mga inday, yung pagkain ni Bibi Kano, mga inday, papakainin ko na siya. Ito na day, So, parang lugaw, day ba? Diba? So, papakainin ko na. And then, may kape na din ako. Yay! Mga inday, nandito na tayo sa bahay. Nandito tayo sa front porch, mga inday. Sobrang init, day. Hindi ko kasi na-open pa to, day ba? Yung window. Lagay ko kayo dyan. Kailangan ko i-open to, day. Sobrang init. Nak, wala ni mo gidiligan. Imuhang sunflower, nak. Mamatay ni. Dapat diligan man ni. Dapat basa. Diligan na ng water? Okay. Good job. Nadiligan na daw niya, day. Kaninang umaga. Sabi ng anak ko. Okay natin to. Sobrang init dito, day. Basta ganitong oras, day. Kasi yung araw is dito yung araw sa front porch. Kasi open natin yung window. Kasi gusto ko, di ba makikita nyo sa video ko, day, na most of the time nandito ako sa front porch nagtatambay. So naka-open na yan, day. And then pasok na tayo sa loob uli. Ay, ginoo ko. Gusto ko sana mag-walking pero I think day sobrang init day. Hello mga inday. Mga inday, sasampay na natin itong nilalaban natin day dito sa labas day. Sobrang tahimik sa amin dito day. Yan yung nagustuhan ko. And then, maririnig nyo talaga yung mga ibon. Diba day? Naririnig nyo sa background day. Yung mga ibon, huni ng ibon. Sobrang tahimik. Nakaka-relax sa utak day. Walang marites dito sa amin. Ang bigat! Tapos na tayong nagsampay day. And then may nilalaban pa ako doon, but before yan, papaliguan ko muna si Bibi Kano mga inday. And then ang gamit ko ngayon is cellphone yung gamit ko day, kasi nga is naubusan ng puno na yung memory card day. So kailangan kong mag-edit ng video para ma-delete ko yung video na nasa loob nitong camera day. I-close muna natin day. Nagsampay na tayo, and then yun, si Bibi Kano, sabi ko, papaliguan ko, and then mga inday, lalabas tayo mga inday, dadalhin ko kayo. Nandito yung bata-batuta natin day, walang chinilas. Oh, walang chinilas. Let's go bata. No sleeper papa, no sleeper. We're gonna go inside the car. Asher, inside the car. Open the car, open. Open daw siya day. Dali na! Let's go na! Open! Open! Oh? Ning kamot! Go inside your chair na! What happened? Dawa na, nagpindot-pindot na siya, day. No, pindot-pindot! Kang puluta ka ron na! Lagay ko na to sa iyang upuan, day. You go alone. Bata-batuta natin day sa iyang upuan. Kulot. Kuluta ka. Nakaupo na diyan day. And then tayo ay pupunta tayo dito sa harapan day. Diyan tayo upo ay. Hindi ko muna i-close day kasi yung papa niya wala pa. Nandiyan yung papa niya. Let's go mga inday. Pasensya na kayo sa mukha ko day ha. Wala talaga itong ano day. Pure panit to day. Pure skin to day. Pure. No makeup, no lipstick. Wala lahat. Pilipino. Di ba love?
What?
I am Filipino.
Oh, you are Filipino. There is no
Filipina
doubt.
skin. Filipina
No,
skin.
you are full-blown Filipino.
No makeup, no lipstick. Pure skin. Hey, Ginoo. What you say?
So beautiful.
Even I don't have makeup.
Yeah.
Just making sound, Papa. Uy, you said it is flashing eh. That's not flashing eh.
The flashing light. What?
Flashing eh is there.
The directions are wrong.
Yeah. Yung asawa ko. Paano ito yung asawa ko, day? Hindi man ito yung direction ng ano, day. Flashing A. Sabi niya, flashing A lang kami, day. Iwan ko anong takbo mo, what your brain, ano na, working.
My hair knows what direction it's going. It's facing me straight.
What running in your brain? This is not the flashing A way.
Hair.
Hair? Your hair? not your brain, it's your hair.
It's just a big hairball.
Ay, ginoo ko, Lord. Ay, my love, tomorrow is a garbage day. Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow when you work all week,
Yeah.
you can kind of forget what day it is.
Yeah, that's right.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from Little Yas to each of you. Content creator making videos on the World Wide Web. Hope I made you.
Ay, tapos na kaming kumain, mga inday, alam nyo ba? And then, yung asawa ko, day, gusto niyang nangala, nag-crave. Nag-crave ng ice cream. Shh. Ay, shh, shh. Sabi ng asawa ko, shh.
Tell him.
Kaya dahil sinamahan ko na lang yung jusawa ko, day, kasi hindi yan pwede kapag hindi ko sinamahan, day. Bibi Kano, patingin-tingin na lang si Bibi Kano sa sa window, sa bintana. Asher, you're looking around? Ay, shush! Ay, tuk-tuk! So ngayon, day, ito ay wala sa plano. Sa kaya dadalhin ko kayo sa trip namin ng ice cream. Ice cream.
He's so bad.
Yeah, he's so bad. You may bana. Ay.
Ooh, what's going on here? Is there fighting? There's fighting.
Uy, there's a lot of people there.
There's a pterodactyl. There's a bunch of baby
Mga hindi,
dinosaurs.
tingnan nyo, day. Tingnan nyo, day. Anong nasa taas ng day? Sasakyan, day.
A rainbow.
Oh my God, that's so cute.
What kind of maybe this person's eating mushrooms
No.
all day long.
No.
You know? With the little changing color light thing they got up there.
Oh, there's a light. Oh, see, there's a light. Tingnan nyo, day. May ilaw, day.
This person's insane. Yeah.
He just like it, love, that's all.
At some point, they're either going to take themselves out or others. I hope it don't go too badly. They're just going to go crazy and they're going to go.
Boy, very good, love.
Well, love, I was following the dinosaur car for you. Now I turn around and go back in and don't you.
There you go.
Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Kami maghintay. You order your food,
But you make me look like I don't even care anymore. It's scarecrow. Wait.
You're guwapo ka din. You're guwapo. Order na what you want. What do you want? Yung bata natin nandyan lang tayo nakatingin. Hi, bata! Hello!
What you doing back there, Asher? Hi.
Hi, hi! He's smiling. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! You? So cute.
They have a vanilla chocolate and a strawberry. They have a little mini one for you.
I want the small one.
$16 for chillers with Oreo cookie. Yeah, I'm also going to need a large vanilla shake.
flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Dito na tayo sa loob ng bahay, Day. And then, ibigay na natin tong ice cream sa mga anak ko, Day. Prince, come here na. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ganda lang, Day. Nakatakot ako. This is yours. Day, may ano siya, Day. Ito, Day. Iwan ko anong pangalan dyan. Nakalimutan ko na, Day. Sa'yo yan. And then, tatawagin ko yung isa kong anak si Kuji ba? Na, Kuji! Koje! Koje! Nak! Koje! Nay, ice cream! Ice cream, do you want? Cookies and cream. Paborito yan ng anak ko, Day. Diri na kay malanay na. Bahala ka diya eh. Si mong kuya ni diri adong ang cookies and ice cream dong. Pupunta na ako sa Nak, imuha gani istro nak oh. Nak. Istruha ang ilalom ana kay kuan man na milkshake mangibutangan og kanang murag ice cream sa ilalom. Ay sa ibabaw di ay iistruhon mo ng ilalom. Ngo ilalom lagi. Ay puntan ako ng man cave, Day. Kasi papakainin ko pa yun si Bibi Kano na doon sa agoy, nandito pa. Nandito.
You're supposed to be coming out there and you have abandoned us.
Oh, sorry. Oh, that's yours. Yeah, that is yours. Thank you. You're welcome. Ang isa din. Nandito yung isa din. Oh. Today. Hello. Hello.
Asher wants to try ice cream.
You want to try ice cream, Asher? This one na lang, labo. With cherry.
Well, he needs ice cream with that. Where's yours?
This one, mine.
Where's Prince's?
I give already for Prince. Asher. Nah. He don't want man. Oy. We'll go in the...
Once he tries it, he does. Give it to me.
Dra. Papa. Papa. Ay, shush! Drama. Yummy? Why you eat? If your papa will give to you, you eating.
Yeah, now he changed his mind.
You change your mind now? Huh? Yummy? Yummy?
Somebody likes his ice